Good morning, students. Today we are going to read the poem Wake Up. This is the first chapter of your NCERT textbook, and this poem is composed by C. Fletcher. So let's start to read the poem. Wake up, it's a lovely day. Oh, please get up and come and play. In the first stanza of this poem, the poet tells the child that the day is so beautiful, so he should wake up for playing. It means इस पोएम की फर्स्ट स्टैंजा में पोएट उस छोटे से बच्चे से कहते हैं कि दिन बहुत ही प्यारा है, इसलिए तुमको जल्दी से उठ जाना चाहिए और बाहर आकर खेलना चाहिए. The birds are singing in the trees and you can hear the buzzing bees. Then he tells the child about the singing birds and buzzing bees. फिर वो उस छोटे से बच्चे से कहते हैं कि देखो, ट्रीज पर जो चिड़िया बैठी है वो गाने गा रही है और जो बीज हैं वो अपना बजिंग साउंड निकाल रही हैं. वेक अप, इट्स ए लवली डे. ओ प्लीज गेट अप एंड कम एंड प्ले. फिर से वो वही बात दोहराते हैं उस बच्चे से कि दिन बहुत ही प्यारा है, तुमको अब उठना चाहिए और बाहर आकर प्लेइंग करनी चाहिए. इट्स मच टू लेट टू लाई इन बेड, सो हरी अप यू स्लीपी हेड. Then he advises the child not to sleep more and wake up early. फिर वो बच्चे को सलाह देते हैं कि तुमको अब ज़्यादा देर तक सोना नहीं चाहिए और जल्दी कर कर उठ जाना चाहिए. Wash and dress and come on out. Everyone is up and about. He tells the child to wash his dress and come out. फिर वो उस बच्चे से कहते हैं कि तुमको अब नहाकर बाहर आना चाहिए और अपने यूनिफॉर्म को भी साफ करना चाहिए, क्योंकि लगभग हर कोई उठ चुका है. Everyone is up and about. The cow, the horses, the ducks and the sheep, the tiniest chicken, cheep, 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 wake up. He tells that so many animals such as cow, horses, ducks and the sheep, as well as the tiniest chicken, have already wake up. वो कहते हैं कि लगभग हर कोई उठ चुका है, सच एज काउ, हॉर्सेस, डक्स, शीप, और वो सबसे छोटा जो चिक है वो भी चिप 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 की आवाज़ करता हुआ उठ चुका है. So this is our today's chapter, Wake Up. It's a poem and I hope that you have enjoyed this poem. Well, now we will see the words, the new words here, and we are trying to get the meaning of these words. The first one is lovely. Lovely means very beautiful. Buzzing. Buzzing is the sound made by the bees. Sleepyhead means not fully awake, and tiniest means very small. Reading is fun. There are 3 questions here. The first one is, what do you think birds say to each other in the morning? The answer is, I think the birds say to each other, wake up in the morning. The second question is, who are already awake? The answer is very simple, the birds are already awake. Which creatures wake up in the morning before the child does? This is the third question. The answer is, look here, the cow, the horses, the ducks and the sheep, as well as the tiniest chicken, wake up in the morning before the child does. Well, this is our today's topic. Thank you for being with me. Thank you so much.